Today we're doing a bit of maintenance on my Axial Yeti. First order of business is going to be to change the caster blocks and the knuckles. If I can find them on eBay again, I'll link them in the description. We've also got a standard AR60 Yeti / Wraith axle housing, and what we've got here is the SSD axle widening set. Basically these are wider lockouts for the AR60 axle than standard, and these are longer axle shafts as well, which again fit the standard AR60 axle. First job is obviously going to be to set the Yeti apart. So it is actually pretty simple. First step obviously is to disassemble the axle. Now also something else to note, you need to take these two bolts off there, if you can see those, and then two more there before you can pull the shafts actually out.
My head again, don't need to be outside to be lost. I think I need musical medicine or something rolled up for these thoughts. I wanna forget the times I wasted, wanna forget some of the times I was wasted. Sometimes I ain't got time for no one else, let alone time for me to have some me time. People try to say something, say a lot of things about how you should buy a lot of things, but everything ain't always what it seems when shit start turning at the seams. What do we got to hold on to if we wake up and it's all gone? And what would you choose to hold on to if I told you I knew where we were all going?
I thought I'd bring you a little bit closer in for the actual rebuilding of the axle.
Everyone you love, you gotta let him go. The only thing in life that's ever set in stone.
And there's 4 more little bolts in here.
About life, down in the road gets rough, but lately I've been feeling alright. Life is but a dream. When you wake up, you begin. But I'm ready to live right now.
Basically, just do the reverse of taking it all off.
Cause you can't take it with you in the end. Can't take it with you. Can't take it with you. Can't take it with you in the end. Nothing lasts forever.
Just to give you a quick idea of what the difference between the two. That's a standard size axle there. I'll measure that at about 9 1/4 inches. Wider. This is just under 10 1/2 inches, so that's just over an inch to 1 1/4 in total. Let's get some grease in here. I'm personally using Lucas Red and Tacky.
And everything ends. I may not be a billionaire, but at least I got some time to spend. So don't get caught up making all of that cake and then forget to save a piece of it. I'm on some everybody call their moms right now and let her know that she's the shit. You feel me?
I don't know, but I've been told the sweetest things in life are never made of gold. The world can be a dream if you can let it go. This dream is filled with love if you can make it show.
You should of course always be prepared to do things a little bit on the fly. I'm just trying to get the bearing onto this axle shaft and it was being a bit stubborn. Don't know if you can see that there, how shiny it is now, so I just had to file it away a little bit. And now the bearing just slides on nice and snug. This side's the same. Take my little file here.
Tell me what you think about love. Tell me what you think about life. Down in the road gets rough, but lately I've been feeling alright. Life is but a dream. When you wake up, you begin. But I'm ready to live right now, 'cause you can't take it with you in the end.
So we just put the smaller of the two in that side. Put the longer of the two into this side. And again, in position just loosely. Make sure the hole lines up. Slide her all the way on. And remember, although this is holding something on that's metal, no Loctite in these because it's actually going into plastic.
Last song that was ever written. After this, nothing will rhyme. This is the last time that you'll ever see us. After this, you're gonna go blind. This is the last time that you'll be alive. This is the last time that
It's my world, I'm doing whatever I wish to. There's no such thing as problem, complications, stress or issue. Come and stay a while, and if you go, I'll miss you. It's my world, I'm doing whatever I wish to. Said it's my world, I'm doing whatever I wish to. There's no such thing as problem, complications, stress or issue. Come and stay a while.
There we have it. Uncompleted SSD extended axle. Just put my hexes on and put my wheels and tyres on. For those wondering what the wheels and tyres of choice are, these are Pitbull Growlers in 1.9 size and Vanquish OFM rim. We'll get on with doing the knuckles and the caster blocks at another point. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, give me some suggestions of what you'd like to see and that kind of thing. I'll see you next time.